Today we are reading the Crayons Book of Feelings from the creators of the #1 best-selling The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Dawa and Oliver Jeffers. Click the link below the video to buy the book and browse my playlist for more Drew Dawa, Oliver Jeffers stories, and more read-along books. Like, share, and subscribe to Learn Martin Books for a new video every single day. Now let's read the Crayons Book of Feelings. The crayons have so many feelings. Have you ever felt the way they do? Happy, sad, excited, invisible, scared, grumpy, and a bit tired, brave, and a little worried, curious, and shy at the same time. It's okay to have different feelings all at once. Everyone knows that crayons love to color, but did you know that crayons have feelings too? Pause the video after each question to draw, write, and discuss your answers. What were all of the different feelings that crayons felt in this book? Feel free to scroll back through the video, pause, and watch it again to write down or draw all of the feelings, and draw, write, or discuss when you feel that way too, and how you know if someone else is feeling that way and when they might feel that way. Also, draw, write, and discuss when you might feel two feelings at once, like brave but also scared, or curious but also a little shy or nervous. Sometimes you might feel angry and sad at the same time, and sometimes you might feel proud and embarrassed at the same time. What makes you feel happy, excited, brave, curious, nervous, scared, angry, frustrated, shy, peaceful, calm, and loved? Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities. And visit learnmartinbooks.com for free printable learning activities for any age and play-based no-prep preschool curriculum you can use all year. Click the link below the video to buy this book. Thank you for reading with me.